Hey, what's up? This is WordPress Stan. I'm an internet marketer and web designer who has been in this space for over 20 years. Listen, everybody knows if you have a business, it has to be marketed. But most people don't know how to do marketing. You know, like you're a good artist, you're a good musician, you're a good widget maker, you provide awesome services. But when it comes to actually getting people to buy your product, you're not exactly sure how to get it in front of them. I created a course just for you, the beginner. It's called Facebook Ads Made Easy. That's right. It seems complicated, and actually it is kind of complicated, but I broke it down in little bite-sized pieces, and you need to cop my course right now. Everyone is not a marketing expert, and nowadays you don't have to be, but you do have to know how to use the current tools for marketing, such as Facebook and Instagram ads. I've come across so many people who are not using Facebook ads properly, or simply have not been taught to use them at all, or they just feel like it's a scam. Facebook is out to just get my money. I'm gonna tell you right now, it's not a scam. It does work, but you do have to know how to use it properly. And I created a course to teach you, the beginner, that's right, you, how to use Facebook ads. Right from the beginning, how to set up your account and how to make sure your account doesn't get banned. I teach you everything from start to finish. Don't miss out on this low price I'm offering right now. Make sure you head over to learnfbeasy.com. That's right, learnfbeasy.com, and I guarantee you will not be disappointed.